install, or I'm doing, I always say weird, I don't know why I say weird. I'm doing an installation on a Hellcat swapped Super B, which is pretty cool. It's like a 23 Super B that the guy did a Hellcat swap in, so that's pretty neat. I'll post some videos of that too. It had a center bearing failure on the drive shaft, so I got with 797 Performance. We'll link that in the description. Guys have been amazing ever since I started using them. Even with my old shop, their shipping is awesome, product availability is awesome, and they're definitely good people over there. So shout out to those guys for helping me get that as quickly as they did, which is pretty awesome. Literally had it within a couple days, and they're way far away from me, so I'm down in Texas and they're not. So anyway, thanks to them again. I'll tag them and do what I need to do to help those guys out, sell more parts, because they're definitely good people, so I appreciate that. So yeah, this came in and had a failure for the center bearing, and got that all taken care of. It's a pretty simple install. I say simple, but you know, most people probably couldn't do it without a lift and some, you know, cutting tools and things like that. So yeah, this is a little kind of a how-to, sort of. I don't have a cameraman, and I don't really have anything to mount my camera yet to like the underside of a car, so working on that. I can just do it on the glass and metal and stuff like that. So yeah, so check it out. If you like this kind of stuff, please, you know, keep supporting the page, and you know, like and follow if you have any other products that you have any interest in. If anybody has any products they'd like me to install, I'm totally cool with that too. I can get that done, and you know, keep going with this page and this TikTok and YouTube page. Sorry, I'm driving, I'm a little distracted, but this is kind of the only time I get to make these videos with me talking. So yeah, it's been pretty cool here recently. I think the video of the wagon on TikTok is up to like 63,000 views, which is pretty amazing, and something like 9,000 or 10,000 likes. It's really the only one that's been kind of, I'd say, blowing up, but not really. I still don't really have like a huge following, but you know what, I'm gonna keep posting content and keep doing my thing on here, and try to grow this thing a little bit. I've you know, got a wife and kids, family, and you know, I can only do this so much, and if I can get, you know, more dedicated time to do it, I certainly will. It's been fun, it's been entertaining to say the least, so we'll keep these things going and, you know, try to just do more. But anyway, if you guys like this stuff, again, please like, subscribe, share. That's the biggest thing, is getting the content out there and, you know, showing people how to do this stuff. And you know, I'm more than happy to answer questions. You can message me on TikTok, you can email me, anything like that. So anyway, hope you like this video. We'll see you on the next one. Appreciate you watching. So today we are going to be doing the drive shaft bearing install. As you can see, this thing is pretty jacked up. So I'm gonna get all this pulled down and get that bearing out of there. So here, messed up. Take that out, get it going. So I'll have to cut this rubber part out here around the edge there. Kind of hard to see, but we'll pull that back and cut the rubber off, and that's where we mount the new bearing. Alright, so as you can see, I've got that rubber bushing cut off where this thing will actually spin now. And And this, we're gonna have to cut the brace off, so I'll have to cut it right there to get this mounting bracket off of here. Okay, so here's the old bearing. This, but this is the new center bearing. So this just rides around that piece that I cut out, and that just mounts up to the top just like a regular carrier does. So we'll get that back up in there and get this thing fixed. Pretty awesome. Well, so got the new one installed here. New aluminum brace. Got the center bolts in, got the outer bolts with the shims and the washers and everything. Rubber bushings. Pretty good on this side. Everything's centered up pretty good. As you can see, we just cut out that center piece there. And my light's super bright. Got that all out. Got it all centered up, and we should be good to go. No more vibration or funky issues. So that was the JXB, I believe, is what it was called. Yeah, the JXB. That's what we got here. JXB Performance from 797 Performance. Appreciate you guys for reaching out with these parts, or not reaching out, but getting these parts to us. 797 Performance and JXB Performance for the brake. Well, and so here's the car. It's a 23 Super B. The guy did a Hellcat swap on. Full swap, body harness, everything was changed. It's running. PWM controller for the fuel pumps. It's got all the harnesses, radio, cluster. It had some issues when he first brought it to me, but I was able to fix those with some programming and a couple modules to fix it and all that stuff. So this car's good to go. It runs pretty good. It's completely stock, but you know, it's a Hellcat, so it's still 700 horsepower. So yeah, thing's pretty sweet. So there we have it. The JXB center bearing installed for a drive shaft on a Hellcat. Turned out pretty good. Pretty easy to do. Not a whole lot to it, but to do it. So yeah, I mean, that was it. Just another video I wanted to do on these cars. Try to make it easier for others to see how you do it. And this is just more stuff I want to keep posting. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. I'd appreciate it. Thanks.